वेलकम एट द आरटीएस गुरु। आज हम हमारी इंग्लिश सीरीज़ की जो है वो दूसरी किताब शुरू करने जा रहे हैं। और इसमें इंग्लिश मेड इजी की वॉल्यूम 2 है। वॉल्यूम 2 लर्न इंग्लिश थ्रू पिक्चर्स। ओके। इस बुक को हम अच्छी तरह से समझेंगे और प्रैक्टिस करेंगे और पढ़ेंगे। सही है। अभी हम चलते हैं हमारे पहले यूनिट की तरफ। यूनिट 1। द टाइटल ऑफ यूनिट 1 इज Here is a letter for you. This is the title you can see at the top. In this unit, you will learn the following: how to talk about family members. Second point, how to communicate with friends. Okay, here are the words you will learn: airmail, all, aunt, bill, brother in law, card, cat, chair, choose, cousin, daughter-in-law, email, envelope, fox, from, grandfather, grandmother, holidays, invitation, land, letter, letterbox, nephew, niece, off, on, open, parcel, postcard, postman, put, quickly, sister-in-law, sofa, son-in-law, stamp, to, uncle. These are the words we will learn. Here are some phrases you will learn to use. Lay the table, make the toast, butter the toast, pass the milk, clear the table, load the dishwash, look forward to, arrive at, depart from, take off, hurry up. Okay. Here are some sentences you will practice. Here is a postcard for you. Could you open the door, please? It's for you. The dog is on the chair. The cat is off the sofa. Okay. Picture 1. This is Benson family. Picture 2, this is Jim and Peggy. Picture 3, this is Tom and Anne. Picture 4, they live at 2 Richmond Street. Okay, grammar tips. The new structure in this unit are imperative and preposition, paired verb. The Benson family. Okay, this is the complete chart of the Benson family. So these are the grandparents, Brian and Carol. Jim and Peggy are there. Uh, Brian and Carol has 3 sons: Jim, Kim, Phil. Okay, and the rest of is their family. Okay, Jim and Peggy has two. Jim and Peggy have two siblings, not sibling, but we can say one daughter and uh, one son. And Kim and Jen has have 3 kids. Okay, Phil and Marge don't have any kids. So let's read them. Jim is Anne's father. Anne is Jim's daughter. Tom is Anne's brother. Marge is Jim's sister. Jim Kim is Jim's brother. Bren is Jim's father. Bren is Tom's daughter. Carol is Tom's grandmother. Marg is Carol's daughter. Peggy is Carol's daughter-in-law. Kim is Anne's uncle. Marge is an aunt. Sue is Anne's cousin. Anne is Sue's cousin. Sue is Jim's niece. Steve is Jim's nephew. Jane is Jim's sister-in-law. Kim is Peggy's brother-in-law. Phil is Carol's son-in-law. Okay, these are the sentence, and these are about their family structure. Okay, so this is Bran and Carol. The rest of the family you can read here. So let's move to the next page. So here is another family. So now you have to uh, make sentences like the above one. Okay, Paul and Lynn has I have 3 kids: Luke, Bob, and Christine. Luke and Cindy. So Bob, where is Bob? Here. Okay, the second son of Paul. So Bob is Julie's father. Okay, you can see here this is this Bob and this is Julie. Julie is Bob's daughter. Bob is Julie's father. Julie is Bob's daughter. Alan and Julie, they are siblings. Okay, Alan is Julie's brother. Okay. Okay, this is how you have to solve the exercise. You have to match the relationship of the family member one to other. Okay, so let's move to the next one. If we do this here, it would be a wrong video, so I don't want to make it longer. Let's move to the next one. Picture 1, a letter. Picture 2, a postcard. Picture 3, a card. Picture 4, a bill. Picture 5, an invitation. Picture 6, an envelope. Picture 7, a stamp. Picture 8, a parcel. Picture 9, a fax. Picture 10, an email. Picture 11, write a letter. Picture 12, send a letter. Picture 13, get a letter. Picture 14, post a post office. Picture 15, a postman. Picture 16, a post box. Okay, you can say letter box as well. Let's revise this. Okay, this time you will read picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4. आप पढ़ें picture 5, picture 6, picture 7, picture 8, picture 9, picture 10, picture 11, picture 12, picture 13, picture 14, picture 15, picture 16. Let's move to the next one. Okay, who is whose? Here is the postcard for you, Sam. A postcard from Andy and Janet. Picture 2. What are you doing, Ken? I'm writing a letter to Bran. Who is it from, Bran? It's from Ken. Picture 1. Could you open the door, please? Picture 2. Close the window. Picture 3. Open your book at page 51. Picture 4. Close your book, please. Picture 5. It's for you. Could you open it, please? Picture 6. Send this letter, please. You didn't close it. Oh, didn't I? Could you close it before you send it, please? Let's repeat this one. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, and picture 6. Okay, let's move to the next one. Picture 1, a dog. Picture 2, a chair. Picture 3, a dog is on the chair. Picture 4, a dog is off the chair. Picture 5, a cat. Picture 6, a sofa. Picture 7, the cat is on the sofa. Picture 8, the cat is off the sofa. Picture 9, don't put the dog on the chair. Picture 10, put a stamp on the envelope. Let's repeat this. Picture 1, इस मर्तबा आप पढ़ें. Picture 1, Picture 2, Picture 3, Picture 4, Picture 5, Picture 6, Picture 7, Picture 8, Picture 9, Picture 10. Let's move to the next page. Hotel. Picture 1, hotel. Arrive at the hotel. Picture 2, arrive at the hotel at 2 o'clock. Picture 3, depart from the hotel. Picture 4, depart from the hotel at 9 o'clock. Picture 5, land at the airport. Picture 6, take off the airport. Let's repeat this one. Now you have to read this. इस मर्तबा आपको पढ़ना है. Picture 1, Picture 2, Picture 3, Picture 4, Picture 5, and Picture 6. Let's move to the next one. Picture 1, holidays. Picture 2, looking forward to holidays. Picture 3, fast, slow. Picture 4, hurry up. Picture 5, can I have more please? He got one grape. Picture 6, can I have more please? He got some grapes. Okay, if you have more than one, then you can call it some. Okay. Picture 7, he got all the grapes. Let's revise this. Okay, आप पढ़ें अभी. Picture 1, Picture 2, Picture 3, Picture 4, Picture 5, Picture 6, Picture 7. Let's move to the next. The Bensons. This is the Benson's house. The postman is putting a letter in the letterbox. Picture 2. Here is a letter for you, Jim. Picture 3. Hurry up, open it. When are they coming? And wants Jim to open the letter quickly. Picture 4. The letter. Dear Jim and Peggy, thanks for the invitation to stay at your new house. Sue is looking forward to seeing Anne. Our plane arrive at 8 o'clock on Tuesday next week. It's flight number 412. Can you meet us at the airport? Looking forward to seeing you all. Sincerely, Kim. Picture 5. Thursday next week. Picture 6. We can meet them at the airport, can't we? Yes, of course. They all ring them. 7. Lay the table, please, and I will make it the toast. Picture 8. She is making the toast. Okay, before going ahead, repeat this. Now you have to read. इस मर्तबा आप पढ़ें. Picture 1, Picture 2, Picture 3, Picture 4, Picture 5, Picture 6, Picture 7, Picture 8. Let's move to the new one. Picture 9. Butter the toast, please, Tom. Picture 10. Please milk. Oh, sorry. Picture 10. Pass the milk and pass the milk, please, Anne. Picture 11. Clear the table, load the dishwasher, and let's go. Picture 12. You can see what they are doing. Picture 13. It's quarter to 8. We are early. Picture 4. They are waiting for their guest. Picture 15. It's half past 8. Where are Kim and Sue? So this is all about this unit. Repeat this before we end this unit here. Picture 1, 12, picture 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is it and all about this unit 1. We will meet in the next unit in the next video. See you then.